Welcome back. It's Robert from Studio 5 Drone Productions. And let me tell you, things are about to get vertical. Everyone who knows me knows that. I'm all about the drone life. That bird's eye view, that perspective that makes you feel like you're on top of the world. And the best part? It's not just about getting cool shots for the Insta or the TikTok. It's about building a business, turning your passion into something real. And that's what I'm here to help you do. In this video, I'm dropping some serious knowledge from 5 years of flying experience. That's right, 4 killer drone video ideas that are going to take your footage from okay to wow. We're talking about the kind of shots that not only impress your viewers, but get those algorithms hyped and have your phone blowing up with potential clients. So if you're ready to elevate your drone game and take your business to the next level, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this drone adventure started. First up, we're talking about the magic hour, that golden hour, my friend. You know what I'm talking about, that time, right after sunrise or right before sunset when the light is just different. It's like the world hits the snooze button, everything softens up, and the colors, forget about it, they're off the charts. Now listen up, because this is where you, as a drone pilot, can really shine. When you fly during the golden hour, you're not just capturing a landscape or a property, you're capturing a mood, a feeling, the long shadows, the warm glow. It's like something out of a movie. I remember this one shoot I did early morning over this golf course property. The light hit the water just right, and the sand traps looked like they were glowing in the background of this beautiful property. The client, they were blown away. They said it was like they were seeing their property for the first time. That's the power of the golden hour, my friends. All right, chapter 2, we're switching gears a bit. We're going low and slow, getting all cinematic on you. Yeah, I know, high altitude shots are cool, but sometimes it's all about that intimate ground level perspective. Think about it. A winding trail through the woods, a quiet road, along the Midwest cornfields, your drone gliding just above it all, capturing every twist and turn. It's like taking your viewer on a journey, making them feel like they're right there with you. I once used this technique for a travel company, filming this amazing hike through the woods during the peak of fall colors. We went low, followed the trail, and the footage was just breathtaking. The client was amazed at what we could do with a drone. They said it was exactly the vibe they were looking for: immersive, adventurous, and real. So don't be afraid to get your drone down in the mix to explore those low-level angles. You might be surprised at what you discover. Time for chapter 3. And this one's all about thinking big, like really big. We're talking about the epic panorama, the shot that makes people go, whoa, is that real? This is where you showcase the vastness of a landscape, the sprawling beauty of a city, or the sheer scale of, well, anything. The key here is to find that perfect vantage point. Get your drone up high enough to capture the whole scene, and then, nice and smooth, execute that 360-degree rotation. I'm talking buttery smooth, no jerky movements. You want that footage to flow, to draw the viewer's eye across the entire panorama. All right, adrenaline junkies, this one's for you. Chapter 4, action tracking. This is where things get fast-paced, high energy, and, let's be honest, a little bit risky. We're talking about tracking moving objects, cars, boats, athletes, whatever gets your heart pumping. This is not for the faint of heart, my friends. It takes practice, skill, and nerves of steel to keep your drone locked on target while it's moving at speed. But when you nail it, oh man, it's pure magic. The sense of speed, the dynamic angles, the feeling that you're right in the middle of the action, it's electrifying. Boom! There you have it. 4 killer drone video ideas to elevate your game and have your clients singing your praises. Remember, it's not just about pointing the camera at something and hitting record. It's about using your drone to tell a story, to evoke emotions, to transport your viewers to another place. So, get out there, experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and drop a comment below with your own killer drone video ideas. Let's keep this community soaring. Until next time, stay blessed and fly safe.